Guys, you've got a sore throat or you're coughing and you want to soothe it, well, these guys aren't actually the solution. This has only got 5.1% honey in it, and it is 72% sugar. That is a sweet. It's not going to help your sore throat or your cough. What is, and what is also recommended by the NHS, is real honey. This stuff is a superfood, and it actually will soothe your throat better than a cough syrup would. So you've probably already got it in the cupboard. You don't even need to buy it. Just take a spoon, eat it, and that'll sort out your sore throat this winter.